Okay, Jack. Okay, I'll open up.
You have to do this part, Daddy. You have to do, you have to do some part.
Okay.
Now you have to
Here, I'll open it up.
finish one.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy
Al.
birthday to everyone. How do I get it?
Oh,
Here you
pretty.
go, you can open it.
Wait, well, let's look at that one.
For Big Brother.
Oh my goodness! Jack,
Aunt
did you
Jasper
get a
thought of
birthday
you.
present for Elle's birthday? You better
Yep.
say thank you, Aunt Jasper.
Thank you, Aunt Jasper.
Okay, open it up, Al.
Your product.
That was so thoughtful.
Okay, here, open it up.
Jack, can you even believe that you got a present for Elle's birthday?
Wow.
I hope it's not a leak card game. Because I don't even remember this stuff. It's not.
Jumping frogs.
Whoa!
Jumping frog.
Jumping frogs. Oh, well, what did you get?
Yeah, I gave some. I didn't get some. I
Princess
gave.
Castle Tent.
Oh my goodness, that's gonna be a hit.
Yay. Al, can you say thank you? Al,
You say
thank
happy birthday?
How old are you, Al?
I'm gonna open these.
Al, how old are you? 6.
Oh, she coughed twice.
What do you do with these? What do you do with these?